Welcome back to another video. Today we have FlexVolt deals are live at HomeDepot.com. Don't forget to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tutorial videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah guys, smoking deals guys for FlexVolt Advantage from Home Depot. Basically pretty simple. You go to HomeDepot.com. You search FlexVolt Advantage on the search box on HomeDepot.com. Then you go down and you're gonna see all the deals that they have. They don't have the circular saw at my store. For some reason they only have these three. But guys, this is a killer deal. $199. You're getting a FlexVolt tool. The new charger, 6 amp charger, and you're getting the 6 amp hour battery. So this is definitely smoking deals guys. $199. You got your choice of any of these. However, in the store, let me tell you about something. In the store, I believe that this is $179. I believe you buy the tool for $179 and you get this for free. Same thing here. You buy the tool, you get that for free. But here, they're doing it for $199. I believe in the store, it's $179. So definitely, if you want to get this and try it at your store, go and try it at your store. You're going to get this for $179. I believe that's the price for this thing, for the drill. And then you get that for free. So definitely check it out. If you guys haven't seen the in-store videos, I do have a lot of in-store videos that we do go around shopping at Home Depot, Lowe's, and other tools stores. And I did see this promotion in the store, but if you want to do it online, you can do it online. The only thing is that you have to buy it in a bulk. You have to buy the whole deal at once with one click. So basically you have to add the whole thing to the cart, or because if you try doing just the tool only, it's not gonna let you. Like I said, I already tried doing that. If you guys look at the cart, because I'm going to the cart right now, and I tried doing that and it doesn't work. So okay. So you guys see here, it's regular price $199. You got the battery deal $179, and then you got the subtotal $348. So it doesn't work like that. So what you have to do is add the whole thing to the cart. Add the whole deal here to the cart. Let's add it to the cart, and it's just gonna give you that $199. Awesome price, killer deal. Wish I could afford all these tools. Definitely I would get them. So what happened here? What happened to my computer? Alright, you got 3 items in cart, so go check it out. See, you guys see the difference? $199 for what is this? $199, $179 for $300. Yep, definitely great deal. Check it out. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and commenting down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.